problems that MongoDB solves are some of the real-world big data problems, and that sounded exciting to me. If you want to learn any product end-to-end, the best place to do that is in technical support, and that's why I joined MongoDB Technical Services.
We always are talking to each other, always giving insight on different problems that customers may have. And as well, on the cloud support team, we're supporting a product that is so vast and touches so many different areas that it's really difficult for one person to know it all. And so collaboration is extremely important.
What excites me is that every day there is something new to learn in MongoDB Technical Services. It doesn't have to be just with MongoDB, but also in other technologies that MongoDB works with. So there has not been a single day since I joined that I have not learned something new.
So the support team really does influence how our product changes and grows. We see how the customers use our product, and so we are on the ground level seeing exactly where customers' pain points are. And so we actually do give direct feedback to the product team every quarter through a report that gets read by the people who make those decisions and pass it down to our engineering teams.
In terms of employee growth, the leadership and management, they take that very seriously. So for example, the managers sit with the engineers individually and they chart out their growth and development plans, set specific milestones, provide them the necessary resources and guidelines, and in general, foster the employees' growth.